Hello and welcome to English Speaking Academy Online. In this video, we are going to learn basic component of parts of speech. The first and foremost is noun. What is noun? A noun is used to name a person, place, or thing, quality, or idea. Noun is basically used to name any person, place, thing, quality, or idea. For example, the name of a person, li is noun, teacher is noun, place is noun, park is noun, Lahore is noun, thing, book is noun, car or any idea or quality, for example, honesty and freedom. When we use noun in a sentence, the example, the student read a book. In this sentence, student is a noun and book is a noun. So these are basically noun in this sentence. Next part of speech is pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is basically a noun or an imitation of noun that is used in place of noun to avoid repetition of a noun. For example, I, he, she, they. In possessive context, mine, yours, theirs. We can understand pronoun through a sentence. For example, Sarah is my friend. She is intelligent. Here, she is pronoun. In second sentence, in the name of Sarah, we are using she. So anything which is used in place of noun is a pronoun. In this sentence, she is a pronoun. The next component is a verb. What is a verb? Verb is a state of action. It is defined as an action, occurrence, state of being, or doing something. Example, somebody is running, run. Somebody is writing, write. Somebody is becoming, become. Is doing an action, seeing something. In sentence, for example, they run every morning. In this sentence, the run is a state of action is considered as a verb. I'm speaking, speaking is a verb. The next component is adjective. What is adjective? Anything which is used to describe a noun or a pronoun or tells which, what kind or how many. In simple words, adjectives explains a noun or a pronoun or something about a noun or a pronoun. For example, a tall man, a red face, a 3 years old child, an intelligent person. In a sentence, I bought 3 red roses. I bought 3 red roses. In this sentence, the 3 red is an adjective of roses. The next component is an adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is defined as anything which modifies a verb, adjective, or an adverb, tells how, when, where, and degree is considered as an adverb. For example, quickly is an adverb, very is an adverb, yesterday, here, often is an adverb. For example, he spoke very softly. Here, very is an adverb. The next component is preposition. Preposition are very important in English grammar. They used to indicate the relation of a noun pronoun to an other word in context of time, place, or direction. The examples of the prepositions are in, on, at, under, with, by, between, after, and others. In a sentence, the keys are on the table. In this sentence, on is a preposition. We are standing under the tree. In this context, under is a preposition. The preposition is used to specify the relation of a noun and pronoun to an other word in context of time, place, or direction. The next word is conjunction. Conjunction is basically used to connect the words, phrases, or any clauses. For example, the examples of the conjunction and, but, or, because, although. Example of conjunction in a sentence. I wanted to go, but it started raining. Bo in this sentence, but is a conjunction which is used to connect the two sentence. Both John and Alex went there. In this sentence, and is basically a conjunction. The last component of parts of speech is interjection. Anything that expresses from the true heart, that expresses sudden feelings or a strong emotion about something is interjection. Interjection. Example, in case of player or expressing a player happiness, we use wow, oh, Alice, hurrah. This in a sentence. Wow, that was fast. This is a interjection. We usually use this symbol for interjection. These are precisely defined parts of speech in simplified language. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.